What is a modular blockchain and why everyone is talking about this? In this video, we'll break down two key models in Web3 infrastructure: modular versus monolithic blockchains. You'll learn what each one is and why modular blockchains are shaping the future. We'll also take a closer look at MetaEarth, a project building a unique modular blockchain with real-world use cases. Before we dive in, let's quickly explain the three core functions of any blockchain. First, we have execution, where smart contracts and transactions are processed, like the computing layer of the chain. Then we have consensus, where nodes agree on the state of the network. It's basically how blockchains stay tamper-proof. Then we have the data availability, ensuring that transaction data is accessible and verifiable by anyone. Let's start with the classic setup. Monolithic blockchain, like Ethereum or Solana, for example. These are like one-man band. They handle everything by themselves: execution, consensus, and data availability. This tight integration ensures strong security and decentralization, but it also creates bottlenecks. Ethereum, for example, processes everything on a single layer. This works well for integrity, but leads to congestion, high gas fee, and lower throughput. Like a restaurant where one chef has to cook, serve, and clean. The food might be good, but the service is low. This is where the famous blockchain trilemma comes in: scalability, decentralization, and security. Monolithic chains usually excel at two, but struggle with one, often the scalability. Now, imagine splitting their restaurant into departments. One team cooks, another serves, another cleans. That's the concept behind a modular blockchain. In modular design, the key function, execution, consensus, and data availability are separated across dedicated layers. Each layer can specialize, scale independently, and operate more efficiently. This separation allows for better scalability and flexibility without compromising the decentralization or the security. Think of it as a building with Lego blocks. Instead of one big block, more customizable and easier to upgrade. A crucial part of modular system are roll-ups. Roll-ups are like express checkout lanes in a busy supermarket. This is the layer where transactions are processed off the main chain. Then the results and data are submitted to the secure base layer. Here's how it works. Roll-ups handle execution on a secondary layer on the chain. Then the modular-based chain ensures data availability and consensus. This way, the base layer avoids congestion and remains lightweight, while roll-ups bring speed and scalability. Can modular chains work without roll-ups? Yes, but not optimally. If no roll-ups are deployed, execution might still happen on the base chain, reducing some of the scalability benefits. Fully modular systems are designed with roll-ups in mind to offload the execution. Now, let's talk about MetaEarth, a next-generation modular blockchain built for real-world adoption. Here's how it's structured. We have the Me Hub that provides the consensus and data availability. Then we have the roll-ups, which are customized execution layers for specific domain. For example, ReFi or social platform or DeFi. Then we have a unified identity layer, MeID, that ties everything together. Think of the hub as a city hall, the roll-ups as your neighborhood, and your MeID as a passport. MetaEarth goes beyond infrastructure. It's about impact. On-chain UBI for global poverty alleviation, carbon footprint tracking, mass adoption of Web3, and way more. All powered by this efficient structure. How is MetaEarth different from other modular chains like Celestia? Celestia focuses on providing a shared data availability layer for developers to build execution environment on the top of it. It's like a blank canvas with strong foundations. But MetaEarth goes a step further. It adds a social layer designed for real-world adoption, through tools like UBI and carbon tracking. Also, it prioritizes interoperability and a seamless user experience, supporting cross-chain interactions under one unified identity. Also, it integrates native local DAOs and decentralized ID to support governance and identity rooted in real communities. In short, while Celestia is building a powerful infrastructure, MetaHeart is building an entire ecosystem, one that connects modular blockchain tech with practical, human-focused outcomes. Moreover, one major challenge with modular blockchain is that they are often complex to build on. Projects like Celestia require developers to set up their own execution environment, which can be powerful but also technically demanding. MetaEarth addresses this with a more accessible approach. In fact, it's AVM compatible, so developers familiar with Ethereum can build seamlessly using Solidity and standard tools. No need to learn new languages or custom CDKs. It's like having a modular power, but with a plug-and-play simplicity. This makes MetaEarth especially attractive for builders who want to launch fast, iterate quickly, and still take advantage of modular scalability, security, and interoperability. The crypto market is moving fast, and projects that can't keep up risk to be left behind. That's why solutions like modular blockchain design are gaining so much traction. MetaEarth isn't just keeping up, it's helping lead the way. From scalability to real-world impact, is building an ecosystem ready for mass adoption. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn more about the future of crypto and MetaEarth's mission, make sure to subscribe to the channel and download the MePass app to explore it for yourself. The link is in the description.